Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can start your PC up even faster than what it is. So what you want to do is basically go over to your control panel. So I'm just going to come over here and type in control panel. Once you're inside your control panel, you want to basically click on security, system and security. Now, system and security is going to be right here. From here, you just want to head over to power options. Once you're inside power options, you want to basically select on change window yeah, this one. Select what the power buttons do. So my power option has this checked in by default, but normally what you'll have is you won't really have this turn on fast startup. You won't really have this selected. So what you want to do is basically select it and then basically save changes. Now mine is now if you're using ultimate performance, this option is gonna be check marked automatically and you won't be able to disable it. But if you're using some other options from here, this might not be turned on. What you want to do is basically click on it and save changes. That's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.